Hello friends, today I am discussed about hypersecretion of insulin. So first of all, I talk to about insulin. Insulin is a type of protein hormone which formed by 51 amino acid. It is secreted by beta cell of Langerhans and it secrete in inactive part that is proinsulin. So after this I talk to about hypersecretion of insulin, and today our topic is hypersecretion of insulin. So let's I discussed about the hypersecretion of insulin. First of all, the hypersecretion of insulin cause hypoglycemia. Hypersecretion of insulin cause hypoglycemia, then decrease the amount of blood glucose level. When our blood glucose level is high, then release the insulin, and the function of insulin decreases the blood glucose level. Then it causes more glucose intake by most body cells and enhance glycogenesis in liver and muscles. So what is glycogenesis? Glycogenesis is a type of process that in which glucose transform in fructose and sucrose. That is glycogenesis. So the glycogenesis it causes more glucose intake by most body cells and enhance glycogenesis in liver and muscles. So what is glycogenesis? Glycogenesis is a type of process that in which glucose transform in fructose and sucrose. That is glycogenesis. So the glycogenesis process occur in liver and muscles. After this I talk to about symptoms. When insulin are secreted in high amount in our body in blood, then which type of symptoms are appear? So first of all, first symptoms is weakness, then second profuse sweating, and third irritability, and next one is confusion, and then unconsciousness and convulsion. Any symptoms are appear during hypersecretion of insulin, that is hypoglycemia. The the most important line. So note, continued excess of insulin in blood causes insulin shock. When insulin secreted in high amount in blood then causes insulin shock. It needs urgent intake of sugar and glucose, which is needed the urgent sugar and glucose. Thank you.